Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add the motion blur in CapCut PC. So as you can see, this is the official application of CapCut and it is not crack or any other thing. So the first solution is just make sure that your application is up to date, and if you're not updated your application for long time, so just make sure to update your application. And after that, just select any clip. Let's say I want to add motion blur in this clip, so just select this clip, and after that you will see an interface like this, the video speed and animation, everything. So just in the video section, in the basic, scroll down a little bit, and at the end you will be able to see like this option. As you can see, the motion blur, they have officially added it in the CapCut PC version as well. So you can turn it on and choose the blur amount, the blend, the direction, the speed, everything. You can change it, customize it and adjust it according to your choice. And once you have added it, that is a simple process of how you can add motion blur. And the second thing is just you can just go to effects, and from here just you can search here motion blur, and they will give you an effect of how you can add, as this is the option of motion blur. So you can try this effect as well, so it might work for you. So these are the methods on how you can add motion blur on CapCut PC.